Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon. Today we're going to talk about sorting array. Okay, PHP provide us six way to do sorting within an array. Okay, start with this function sort array. Okay, sort will be sort array in ascending order. Right, they start with A, B, C, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and number two, R sort. R sort is a sort array in descending order. Okay, backward. All right. Number three, sort. Okay, sort associative array in ascending order according to the value. So associative array, something related with string. Okay. K sort, sort associative array in ascending order. Okay. AR sort, sort associative array in ascending order according to the value. So KR sort, sort associative array in descending order according to the key name. So you have six options here, but when come to the implementation, let's say we go for the source code. Looking into this code, and if you see here, if you can go to the lesson3g.php, you can see, okay, car is the variables, and then array, Volvo, BMW, and Toyota, and then I have sort car, right? I will sort V, B, T. So what happened now, it will start from top to bottom. Okay, start with sort. This sort is a sorting ascending order. So what happened is it will start with B, uh, V and T. Okay, start with V. But the output here is slightly different because you have R sort. Okay, R sort normally they sort with descending order. It means that this is the output of V, T, V first, T next, and B. Right. So what happened is this source code. This is the output. If you look here, okay. Let's say if I change this into, I just allow sort only. Okay, what will happen is they will change the output. Okay, see, the output changed to BMW first, followed by Toyota, and the last one is Volvo. Okay, this is happened because I disable R sort and enable sort only. But if I disable this and enable this, okay, R sort, the result is changed. Okay, see that VTB, right? That one is for sorting number one style. Okay, number two, when dealing with number, the first one is dealing with alphanumeric or string associative array. Uh, Number two, when we deal with number, almost the same style. So this is because it go backward, descending order, R sort. See that? So if I disable this, what will happen to the code? They will change. Definitely start from the smallest number to the bigger number. And then you know that the programming start from top to bottom. So if I enable this and then disable this, or I don't have to disable this because at the end of the day, it will go for the last one, the bottom one. Okay. So what will happen? It will change definitely. Start with the bigger number first, followed by the smaller number. That's about sorting.